Somewhere in space, there's a thing that doesn't just kill people. It can erase an entire galaxy like it never existed. And the scariest part? We might not notice it until the night sky starts going dark. Look up at the stars. That glittery sky feels permanent. But what if it's not? What if a predator moves through space, slow, quiet, unstoppable, and wherever it passes, galaxies lose their light, their gas, their future. Not an explosion, not a war, just a giant cosmic mouth closing. Okay, real talk. There isn't a literal monster with teeth, but there is something that acts like one. It's called a supermassive black hole, the kind that sits in the center of many galaxies. And when it wakes up, it becomes a quasar, blasting energy so violently that it can change the fate of everything around it. Imagine a black hole surrounded by a glowing whirlpool of superhot gas. That gas spins faster and faster, heating up until it shines brighter than a trillion suns. Now picture that brightness as a weapon, not light like a flashlight, light like a cosmic blowtorch. Here's the twist. It doesn't start by swallowing stars one by one. It starts by stealing the galaxy's breath. It blasts powerful winds and jets that can push gas away, and gas is the fuel for making new stars. No gas, no new stars. The galaxy doesn't die fast, it starves. At first, you wouldn't even panic, because the galaxy still looks normal. Stars are still there, for now. But the future is gone. It becomes a city with no food deliveries. The lights stay on, until one day they don't. And then comes the real feeding frenzy. Gravity starts pulling in nearby galaxies. They collide, they merge. And as they crash together, more gas funnels into the center, which wakes the black hole even more. Bigger feeding, bigger blast. It's a loop, like the galaxy is pushing its own head into the fire. Now imagine you're watching from far away. You see a bright core, like an eye opening, then jets shoot out like two giant spears. Over millions of years, that eye doesn't blink. It just keeps draining the galaxy until the spiral arms fade and the whole thing becomes a quiet, dead glow. And here's what hits hardest. Our own galaxy has a supermassive black hole too. Right now it's mostly calm, but space has a long memory. And calm doesn't mean safe forever. So if the sky started losing galaxies one by one, would we realize what's happening? Or would we still be arguing while the universe gets eaten in silence?